itinerant ringmaster and pickpocket to the stars. And I am so pleased and so honored to be presiding over this, the third and final night of the first annual Umbrella Festival of the Bohemian Arts. As many of you are doubtless aware, this stage has already been graced upon this very weekend by some of the finest and most infamous talents in the entirety of the Bohemian underground. This scene of Cascadian freaks and mountebanks in which I have found an unlikely home these past 15 years. But I am also thrilled to report we have made room in our lineup not only for acts that are already beloved and well known to the Portland connoisseurs of the bizarre, but also for some bands and troupes who are just now coalescing into a form that is fit for the stage. Some persons whose journey along the endless road that connects all the cities as the blood connects the mind to the hands. They're just now beginning to realize the possibilities of the life they have walked towards when leaving behind all notions of respectability. Just such a band is preparing now to take the stage on this third night devoted to the Big Top, that place of meeting between the city and the road where my preferred brand of magic takes place. These persons represent the unrivaled masters, the absolutely unequaled aristocrats of the Cottage Grove, Oregon circus scene. So if you all will please make them feel welcome with a great eruption of Portlandian enthusiasm, gentlemen, ladies, and all the rest of you as well. Let's hear it for Aeon Now!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, before Aeon Now comes on stage, I'd just like to say, fuck Easter. Actually, today is a rock and roll holiday. It's the anniversary of Kurt Cobain's suicide or whatever that was. But without any further ado, Jawbone Puppet Theatre, with the special collaboration of Tamales de Chivo Teatro de Títeres, proudly presents a brief interlude from the Spanish conquest of the New World. Behold! The brave and well-bred conquistador, as he mounts his noble steed. And surveys the beautiful New World countryside. What's this? A savage Indian. Bienvenidos, patroncito. Welcome to America. Mi casa es su casa. Would you like anything to eat or drink? Some coffee, perhaps? I've got some corn. ¡Hostia putas! ¿Qué es eso, infidel? ¡Pagano, malaje! ¡Te voy a matar con la espada. ¡Ah! 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 Hijo mío, my son, estoy avergonzado de ti. Shame on you, shame on you. You know perfectly well that it is a sin to kill without first baptizing. Ay, sí, perdóname. Ay, a ver, el bautizo, el bautizo. Te bautizo en nombre de Dios, del Padre, de la Madre, del Hijo, Espíritu Santo, todos los santos, del Buda, por si acaso. Te bautizo. Y ahora te mato, maricón, pendejo. Toma. Me muero. Gracias. Thank you, I'm so happy. Another